Meanwhile, the brother of a Provo man says he wants the Utah County attorney to reopen the fatal shooting case from June of 2019. In a story you will only see here on ABC4, Rosie Nguyen spoke with the brother about why he thinks this case deserves a day in court.
It didn't add up at all.
For the past year, Todd Sorensen says he's had very little information surrounding the death of his younger brother, Jeremy. On June 3rd, 2019, witnesses told Provo police that Jeremy was allegedly punching, bashing, and beating ruthlessly on a woman's head right outside the home he lived. That's when a neighbor passing by got out of his car to intervene and ended up fatally shooting Jeremy. 6 months later, the Utah County Attorney's Office announced that going by Utah's use of force law, no criminal charges would be filed. But when family friend and registered nurse Dr. Diane McAdam Jones reviewed the witness statements and photographic evidence, she says things don't add up.
The description is frightening, but there's no injury there to match the description. So I don't know what anybody saw that would lead someone, first of all, to get out of the car with a gun.
That's what led Todd to file an online petition asking Utah County Attorney David Levitt to reopen his brother's case. Levitt says he's briefly reviewed the petition, but encourages anyone with new information to submit them directly to his office.
Now, am I saying that I'm going to reopen an investigation? I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is I'll take everyone's concerns and look to see if that warrants reopening it.
Todd says he just wants his brother's case to be heard in court. He believes his brother's life was taken way too soon.
If you decide to be the judge, jury, and executioner without knowing the situation, you're taking things way too far, and people need to be careful and more conscious when they're using a firearm.
Reporting for ABC4 News, I'm Rosie Nguyen.
All right, thank you, Rosie.